Hello.
I'm gonna harvest sweet potato.
I cannot hear you.
And we're gonna harvest them and wash them in the deep.
Yeah.
So let's do it now.
But let me see your face. Okay. How about you, Elizabeth? Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do today?
This is my sweet potato.
Oh, you're gonna harvest sweet potatoes. Okay, let's try and let's see.
I can see a big one.
Wow, look at this. What you got there? First, maybe you're gonna take out the leaves.
The root.
So we're gonna
Can we
plant them again.
force it? Right?
Yes. Caleb, take this out first, baby.
Oh. I got
Look
it.
at this. I have little one here, Elizabeth. You can eat this too. Wow, that's a big one.
I wanna cut it.
Wow.
I forgot my shovel.
Okay.
I have
That's a big one.
You
Put it there. Put it there.
Look in front of it.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? But my bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, I see Lego. My Lego.
Okay.
Go, Lego.
Come on. Take some more.
Mom.
Look at this, Elizabeth. You can
See that?
eat this one too.
Oh, she's trying to eat it.
You can eat later.
I want to cut it.
Mm.
Oh, and this sweet potato.
That one here. Small one.
This one here.
Look at this little bit. Very nice.
I just want to eat this.
Ooh, here, baby.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Give it to Elizabeth. No, put it in the.
Take the leaves out.
Yeah. And then you're gonna.
Mom. I wanna eat.
Here, baby.
Oh,
What's that? You got a big one too.
I want a force.
Mhm. Here. Very good. No, don't scatter, Elizabeth. Caleb.
I just cleaned up.
Ooh, look at this, Caleb. Elizabeth, look at
It's
this.
growing. It's growing. Hang on.
Yeah.
I can see it moving. Mama, it's moving, Mom. Mama, I wanna go. Come on, it's not moving anymore.
Wow.
It's a like a worm.
Yeah. Here, Elizabeth. Here, Elizabeth.
Oh,
Take this one.
Mama.
Let Elizabeth.
It's gonna take.
Oh, we can. Come, Elizabeth, here in this side. Oh, come on. Maybe you have. You wanna dig? Oh, I feel something here.
I can get
I
it.
feel
Can
something.
I get it, Mom? Please, Mom, let me get it.
Okay, here. I'm gonna.
Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it.
Show it to. Wow, that's a big one. Let me see, Caleb.
I want to cut it.
Wow. We can show that to your daddy later. Put it there.
I wanna just take a knife and then boom.
No,
like
we're
that.
gonna cook it.
And then
We're gonna boil it. Oh, Elizabeth, I have it here too. Come on. Let Elizabeth. One
There's
for
two.
you.
There's two.
This one too. Okay. Pick up now, Elizabeth. Come on. I'll show to the camera. We got big one, the small one.
Mom, I feel something.
Yeah.
Oh!
Wow. Let me see. Let me see. Elizabeth, hukay na.
Another one.
Maghukay, hukay. Hukay here.
Cookie.
Hukay.
Cookie. I want to
You're not digging.
I'm digging.
Let's see. Oh,
You found one?
let's see.
Yeah.
On this side. Yeah.
Oh! Stop!
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, dig, 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 dig. No, it's okay, baby. One. This one, Elisa Caleb. What's this? Follow this route. Oh, you find wow! You got something there, Elisa Caleb. Here for you, Elizabeth. Put it together. This, oh! This is so sweet because they're very small. Let me see what we got here. Okay, some more. Let's show me. What's that?
Sweet potato.
What you gonna do with the sweet potatoes? No, we need to boil it first. Are you excited to eat it? Okay, let's dig some more. Look at this, Elizabeth.
You broke it.
One. Here, Elizabeth. Give it to Elizabeth so she will put it there.
Okay, now we can start digging now. Actually, they have big ones inside. Next year, we'll do better.
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to stand. See you later. It's another thing.
Okay.
Mom, we need to stand. Mom,
Oh.
can we put it in here?
That's not how you're gonna do it.
Wow. Oh. Oh, I can feel something.
I think we harvest this too quickly.
Bye, see you later.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah. Mom, look.
Yes.
Look, potato.
What is it? Make a